Hello everyone, I'm Ayushi. I'm currently interning under Lexis and Company. So today I'm going to discuss about the recent judgment which came up by the about the child custody to the mother. So the recent judgment which came up, it says that extramarital affair is a no ground to be conclude woman wouldn't be a good mother and deny her child custody. That is said in the Punjab and Haryana High Court. So in the today's society, that is the patriarchal system is also prevailing. We can say that patriarchy is also nowadays is that. So like taking the custody, there is a personal laws which are there for the taking the custody of the child, that child adoption and ward act. It also says some legislation is there for that, but the recent judgment which came up, which says which are like this. So the matter before the court, that the parties, both the parties, that the husband and wife, had gone to Australia in the furtherance of their career prospect, and they were working in the Australia. Child was born in Australia, and her initial years she was brought up there. So what happened? So what happened that the mother and father, in between them, they developed a matrimonial difference which led to the divorce. So after the divorce finalized, her husband promised that he would improve the behavior in future, and they started living together. Before the divorce, the husband said that we will live together and will improve in behavior and all, and so they started living together. Further, while they are living together, they arrived in India in 2020, like January. So after that, her husband illegally said that kept the passport of the child and took away the child and started threatening her wife. So thus the fearing her safety, she fled back to Australia, wherein she filed a petition for the custody of the minor child in the Federal Circuit Court, Australia, and the court passed an interim order in April 2020 directing that husband to return the minor child to Australia. Meanwhile, also she moved to the Punjab Haryana High Court by seeking the custody of the child. So court said that the contention which is put on, so while deciding the cases, like the adoption cases and the custody of the child cases, the court will always see that where the child will be have a bright future, where the child can be raised and raised nicely, and where the welfare of the child can be done. So there only the court always give adoption for the give the custody of the child. So in this case also, the contention which the accusation which was given for to the lady, that why that she is having an extramarital affair, so she can't take care she can't have a good take care of the child. So the scenario said that Punjab and Haryana High Court held that even if a woman is having an extramarital affair, a relationship, one cannot conclude that she is not a good mother and cannot deny her to custody of her child. Court also further remarked, in a patriarchal society, it is a fairly common to cast aspersions on the moral character of a woman. More often than not, these allegations are made without any basis of foundation. Even assuming a woman is or has been in an extramarital relationship, the same by itself cannot lead to the conclusion that she would not be a good mother to deny her custody of her child. Court thereafter concluded by stating that modern times are replete with the instances of the children raised by the single parent having grown as a responsible adults, contributing to a nation building in a various fields. So basically, courts that were the thing which came up in the Punjab and Haryana High Court. So basically, when the factor which sees the code, that is for the basically uh, factor which sees that grant the adoption of the custody of the child, that the ethical bringing of the child should be done properly, safekeeping of the child, good education to be imparted to the child, economic well-being of the guardian should be there. After seeing these factors, that the court give the custody of a child. So in India, basically three types of custody that is given. That is a joint custody, legal custody, and physical custody. So how to know that which type of custody is granted? So basically, the court award the custody by seeing the situation. So there the legislation which is governing the child custody under the different laws in India. As India being a secular country, there is no law of land is prevailing in the India. So basically, there is the custody under Hindu law. That is the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Section 8, Special Marriage Act 1954, Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 mention the rules and regulation for seeking the child custody, and these and many were the rule that is given in this. So after seeing the legislation, after seeing the welfare of the children, the court basically grant the custody to a guardian, and not seeing that she or he is having extramarital affair. That will be the contention, that will be the accusation which came up. So this can't be a ground for not granting a custody of a child to a guardian.